Every great cup of coffee begins high above the clouds. Precision starts at the moment of harvest. Each cherry carries months of careful cultivation.
Harvested weight marks the first measure of value.
Quality is protected before machines ever touch the beans.
Only the best continue the journey.
From soil to transport, momentum builds.
Next, raw coffee meets industrial precision.
The journey shifts from field paths to public roads. Distance compresses as destinations draw closer. Every batch is logged before entry. Incoming weight confirms the harvest scale.
Now, raw coffee enters its transformation.
Here, scale replaces seasons. Human hands still guide the first steps. Data now guides the harvest.
Only the worthy move ahead.
Preparation is as critical as cleaning.
Human judgment sharpens machine logic.
Light becomes the final referee.
Flavor is shaped in stillness. Moisture yields to heat.
Stability achieved. Transformation awaits.
Raw potential is carefully held. Heat awakens chemistry. Heat awakens chemistry. Sugars caramelize. Aromas emerge.
Seconds define character.
The roast is locked in.
Heat is stopped with intention.
Now, precision takes over. Elevation keeps the flow unbroken. Routing is calculated to the gram. Even gases are given time to escape. Automation replaces approximation. Safety is engineered invisibly. Every batch is identical by design.
Consistency travels in silence.
Thousands of decisions, one interface. Now, refinement begins. Uniformity defines the final profile.
Weight confirms perfection.
Color tells the story of heat. Imperfection has no hiding place. Refinement is subtle, not forceful. Nothing unwanted travels further.
Balance is achieved at scale. Balance is achieved at scale.
Sameness ensures trust. Now, proof replaces promise.
Science meets craftsmanship. Every batch is sampled meticulously.
Moisture dictates freshness.
Flaws are identified before packaging.
Consistency is quantified.
Taste validates precision.
Every number guides the next move. With approval granted, coffee is ready for its final form. Perfection is verified one last time. Every bean finds its container. Precision ensures consistency from start to finish.
Identity marks every batch.
Organization meets efficiency.
Inventory waits in structured order.
The journey resumes toward the world.
Prepared for delivery, each bag carries precision.
And this is how modern factories produce coffee from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.